Hello friends, hope you all are fine. So friends, today I'm going to discuss about cool creaky facts about the interesting ring-tailed cat. The ring-tailed cat or ringtail is a mammal of the raccoon family and therefore not a cat. It is native to the arid regions of Arizona, North America. Animal Sec further jots down some of the most interesting facts about these ring-tailed cats. People mistakenly considered the civet cat as a ring-tailed cat. The civet cat, which is nocturnal mammal native to tropical Asia, Africa, may look like a ringtail but belongs to an altogether different family, a small carnivore scientifically named Bassaricus astustus belonging to a raccoon family. Procynidea is nocturnal and about the size of a domestic cat with a raccoon-like tail and resembles a small fox. It is one of the smallest extant procynoid. A tail ringtail is also known as minor cat or the marv cat. The scientific name of the ringtail translates to cunning little fox, although this is a different species. Let's familiar with the ringtails. Scientific classification: Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Chordata, Class Mammalia, Order Carnivora, Family Procyanidea, Genus Bassaricus, Species B. astustus. Appearance: the ringtail has many identifying features. It has a grey face with whitish patches. Some of them are buff to dark brown in color. The eyes are large, surrounded by white rings of fur. It has large rounded ears, a greyish colored body, a long tail with alternating bands of white and black fur and short legs. Tail bands 14 to 16 alternating black and white. Size 24 to 31 inches total length and 12 to 17 inches tail length. Weight 1.5 to 3.3 pounds, 0.7 to 1.5 kg. Predators: the ringtail predators include fox, horned owls, coyotes and bobcats. Adaptations: ringtails are excellent climbers capable of ascending vertical walls, trees, rocky cliffs, boulders and even cacti. They can descend a steep angle rotating their hind feet 180 degrees, giving them a firm grip for descending and doing quick changes in any direction. They have an excellent eyesight as well as hearing and a keen smelling sense, all being helpful adaptation for a nocturnal animal. Habitat: they live in many habitats but they prefer rocky areas sometimes associated with water like canyons, caves, stone fences, mine shafts and talus slopes. They also adapt well in disturbed areas and have also been observed living in building. Range: they are found in southern states of Arizona, Central America, California, Colorado, southeastern Oregon, Nevada, New Mexico, Oklahoma and wood, but there are species that extend into Texas and Kansas. Very few known that the ringtail is the state mammal of Arizona. Lifespan: a ringtail will live around 6 to 9 years in the wild, while in captivity it has been seen living for up to 15 years. Ringtails are omnivorous, which means they will be fine with just about anything. Some of their food choices include fruits, hackberries and mistletoe, insects, birds, lizards, snakes and mammals like squirrel and mice. Reproduction: the mating season of this species is from February to May. Its gestation period lasts for 51 to 53 days, during which the male will procure food for the female. There will be 2 to 4 cubs in a litter. The newborn opens their eyes after a mouth and start hunting after 4 months. They reach sexual maturity at 10 months. In their mating rituals, both males and females mark their territory with a urine and feces usually near their dwellings. These markings act as calling birds that deter competitions in difference of the same sex and attract reproductive partners in members of opposite sex. The ringtail cat is mostly solitary, chosen to be alone except during the mating season. Threats and diseases. It is not a high risk of extinction. The main threat to the species is that it is legally trapped for far in Arizona, Texas, Colorado, and New Mexico. Other threats come from collisions with vehicles. They are susceptible to disease like rabies, toxoplasmosis, and canine parvovirus transmitted by feral cats and dogs. Conservation. A ringtail cat are fully protected in California. Studies show that various land management strategies have been incorporated focusing on the vegetation and structure of canyon and slopes, maintaining areas of and forest and with suitable trees. The ringtail can survive in hot arid areas with the drinking water well. We hope that you are acquainted with significant facts about this mammal after reading this extract. Related post. Interesting facts about Tygens. Tygens are an offspring of a male tiger and a lioness and are almost the same size as that of their parents. The animal stake right up puts forth some more interesting. Utterly interesting facts about mosquito fish. Mosquitoes are very annoying. We all know that you must have come across various methods of mosquitoes control, but have you ever heard of a tiny fish that can help? Wonderfully interesting facts about Luna moths. The Luna moth is one of the largest moth species found in North America.